Hello viewers, I just have a quick fire alarm system test today. Same panel. Actually, I thought I nuked it last week since this transformer here has been having that partial discharge inside the bushing. I let it run all night, and I was woken up in the middle of the night to this in trouble mode. So I came down and just put it in silent. And I think what it was is this bushing here was just whizzing away because this was grounded out. I think it was tracing itself back through the system. So the next morning I tried to just pull the alarm, and it took a good like 20 seconds before the pull station, before it registered in the panel. And it was still in trouble mode, so I took the whole board apart, and I took everything out, unwired everything, and I couldn't find anything. I put it back in, and it seems to be working fine now. So I think it was just having some interference. I need to get a ladder and put that back up for the smoke detector. That fell. So let me pull this pull station because I haven't done that in a while. And I took the relay card out. After I took it out, I haven't put it back in yet, but hasn't been in trouble mode since I put it back together. So that battery does need to get replaced though. That's really about it for this video. Just a quick fire alarm system test. Can't talk today. Catch you in the next video.